Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Bill from Competition Cars. So, as you guys know, I spend most of my time getting cars ready for you guys, and mainly fooled a lot of classic Cadillacs, Lincolns, big heavy cars from the 70s. I love those cars, but I've also had a huge love for the Pontiac Trans Am for many years. I currently own a 77 Smokey and the Bandit Trans Am and an 89 Turbo Trans Am, and I just had to treat myself to this 73 Trans Am. I just want to highlight the undercarriage. I have done nothing to this car except pull it up on the lift and give it a spritz, a little bit of hot water from the pressure washer. This is a John Kraft creation. This car was done a few years ago. I don't know exactly how long. I'm going to say maybe 5 years ago. Could be longer, could be shorter. I bought it from the guy that did the work for John Kraft. And what this is, it's a 73. It's not a matching number car. It's not super correct. I don't care. It checked all the boxes for me. Lucerne blue, 4-speed, air conditioning, the fat honeycombs, a built motor. So all I can tell you is I love the car. I didn't have to have one that was all numbers matched and super correct. This car was just built to look like a 71 or 72 455 HO with the color scheme, and I was perfectly okay with that. This is not a car I'm buying to resell. I'm buying it to keep, and that's my little collection I got going on. But I just wanted to kind of show it off. I'm not big on showing my own stuff off much, but I'm really happy. I mean, look at this car. Look, everything looks just so nice everywhere. And it will not get driven in the rain. You don't have to worry about that. I talked to John Kraft on this car before I bought it. He vividly remembered the car and said, Bill, that is a nice car. He said, if you don't buy it, I'm probably gonna buy it. So I went ahead and jumped on it. We're getting ready to pull it down in detail, and I'll do a little engine bay video. And I may do another video with the rest of my cars together. But look at that undercarriage. Oh my God, it's just so freaking gorgeous. I love it. So there it is, guys. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Thanks.